Long ago, in the mighty kingdom of Persia, a young Jewish woman named Esther became queen. She was kind, graceful, and chosen by King Xerxes himself. But Esther had a secret. She was Jewish, a people not always welcomed in the palace. Meanwhile, the king's most powerful advisor, Haman, was plotting something terrible. One day, Esther's cousin Mordecai rushed to her, his face filled with worry. "Esther, you must speak to the king. If you stay silent, our people will perish." Esther looked down, afraid. No one, not even the queen, could approach the king without being called. If she did, she could be put to death. She looked in the mirror, took a deep breath, then nodded with determination. Still, Esther knew she couldn't stay silent. She fasted and prayed, asking God for strength. Then, with courage in her heart, she stepped into the king's throne room.